Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I want to talk today about our closet bracket that we have available at closetbracket.com. One of the questions I get from closet companies that are interested in using these is this the only method of support? And my quick answer is no, it's not. Let me show you how we utilize it in our closet systems here in our showroom and in our customers' homes. So here's our reach-in closet display in our showroom, and you can see we've got our steel rail that is securely fastened into the wall with a plastic cover over it, and then our concealed hanging bracket is on the back of every vertical. And so that is our main line of support. We put that in and we level that off, and we've screwed that into the studs, and then we've hung all of our verticals off of that. Additional support in a reach-in closet like this is these verticals here are going to be screwed into the sidewall. This one's just a piece of 3/4 inch melamine, but in a home, that would be a piece of sheetrock. There's always gonna be studs in this corner here, and we're gonna put 1 or 2 screws into that corner panel. And so that panel will be securely fastened to the wall on both sides. The other thing we'll do is we like to have every vertical has what we call a nailer touching it. So up here, we've got this knocks into place. It's got cam fittings on the back of it, 2 on each side, and that knocks into place, and then that is securely fastened into the wall, into the stud as well. And so in this scenario here, we have 3 of those. So we've got 1 here on this side, we've got 1 here on this side, and then down below the drawers, we have an additional 1 down in here behind the basket that is securing that. And so this system is securely fastened to the wall, not just by the rail, but additional nailers and additional screws that are in the system. We've been installing closets like this for over 20 years utilizing this style of hanging system, and we have never had a failure of a closet system that was properly installed. So there you have it. That's how we utilize the concealed hanging bracket to mount all of our wall mount and floor mount closets. If you have more questions, you can ask them here or take a look in the description. There's a link to where you can take a look at the product and buy them for your closet company to hang your closet systems for them.